Is it good? So, most times, most of the bakery owners or factory owners, if you have a dream of setting up a bakery and you don't want problems, you should go for the right equipment so that you will not later regret spending a lot of money and achieve nothing or less. So go for the right equipment, take time, do investigations, ask questions, and then get the right foreign equipment so that it will give you the right quality of product that you want. That way you'll be able to compete in the market. But if you just follow, if you just listen to those fabricators and those guys that advertise all these fabricated machines online, and they tell you that it's working perfectly, they'll go and buy already baked product, put it inside the oven and advertise. And so they show it to you online. Look at the product coming out, you think that they bake it from there. Most times it's not that oven that they use in baking that product. And so because the oven is locally fabricated, it consumes a lot of gas, especially this oven. It consumes a lot of gas, and that will automatically reduce the profit of this business. Guys, I'm in Moro in Ogun State, close to Mountain of Fire prayer camp. Okay, and I want to show you guys this oven. This is 1, 2, 3 deck oven. According to the fabricator, they said this is a 1 bag oven, of which I doubt. But I come to meet this oven here, and the pattern is very okay. The pattern is very okay, but the disadvantages of using local oven like this is that you don't have anywhere to regulate the heat. You cannot set it at 200 or 300 or 150. Once you put the fire on, it's on, and either the heat will continuously increase like that, no regulation. And for this one, I observed that the heat is not enough. Okay, so we try to increase it because we have on the nozzle to the last, the gas coming out and the fire. You see that the heat is not enough. We cannot increase it. So buying equipment like this is risky. Okay, before you spend money on equipment, please ask questions, consult. Okay, consult. The little money you will pay to consult, you are scared of paying, and then you go and make big mistake. Although this one is working a little bit good, I can say it's 60% good, but it's not 90, it's not 100. 60% good is not good for commercial production, because the maximum level is 160, which is very low, very low. Yesterday, most of our loaves collapsed because the heat is not enough. And so before you fabricate equipment like this, go for knowledge, ask questions so that you will not make mistakes. I also have this one, which is nice. The milling machine is very nice, 100% good. Now, because of this milling machine, this one now I can say is very good because it will be able to mix very fast. You see, it's very nice, locally fabricated mixer. Because of this one can be accepted, because when you mix here, it may not give you the smooth texture you need. So you transfer it to the milling machine and make it smooth and nice. So because of this milling machine, this one, the problem here had been solved. And so you have to be careful. Now the cost of getting this one and this one may be equal to the cost of buying 1 bag mixer. So instead of these two, why can't you go for 1 bag mixer? And you see that production will be faster and everything will go smoothly. Although this one is very, very good. You need the right equipment to go to this level. You can see the level of this bakery is very nice. That does not mean you cannot start strong, but for you to go to this level and have this quality product, you must also have quality equipment. It's very, very important. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Call us for training. Also, you can buy our ebook, by clicking the link below. You can also, invite us to train you. We train online and we also write business plans. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless you.